Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. One thing that I wanted to address with you is how to transfer your line drawing to another sheet of paper if we don't have any transfer paper. So when you've got your line drawing, you can just take it up and put it against a window and turn it around so that it's backwards, like this. Then you just go ahead and trace over the lines like that, and the back of your paper will then actually become a piece of transfer paper, like that. So I'm only going to do the eye now, just so that you can see. Okay, then we'll take it and turn it back around so that I'm looking at the whole thing again. Now when I come in and trace that eye here, it transfers over to the next sheet of paper so that you can start your final draft.